Let's say I have too much power. They don't think I deserve it. They believe with it in my possession it is abused. Truth is, I have to do anything with this power. Though I control time, I can set it to anything if I wanted to. I don't. I let it continue. People blame me for loss, age, and for the wrinkles appearing on their face. I don't cause disaster. It happens. I let it happen. If I was the cause, I'd be a villain. Luckily, I'm not hero nor villain. I could stop these disasters from happening, but I won't. Time says I don't need to. My father has always said to listen to time. Time has always said, leave me alone. I respect time. No abuse is involved. I could look to the future if I wanted to. I could also look back into the past if I wanted to. But I'm not an abuser, so I don't. What's your story?